Hi, I'm licensed Nevada foreclosure consultant Damian Falcone. This is part 4 of the loan modification video series. In this episode, we'll be talking about the preparation of the qualified written request, a document that, although not required, can be very helpful in obtaining a loan modification. This is Get Modified, your source for loan modification and foreclosure prevention information. As always, for even more information, go to www.falconcreditmanagement.com. When contemplating whether a loan modification could be beneficial, it is common for a homeowner not to have enough information about their mortgage to make a well-informed decision. In an attempt to get all relevant information about a loan, we typically make a telephone call to the servicer and then send an informal request for loan information. In the event that we do not hear back in 3 weeks, we then send a formal demand known as a qualified written request. Even though we wait when time allows, a qualified written request can be sent at any time. Federal law forces a loan servicer to take specific actions when a qualified written request is sent to them. The servicer must acknowledge the request within 20 days of receipt, and upon receipt, the servicer has 60 days to conduct an investigation. Following the investigation, they must provide the information requested if available, make any necessary corrections to the account, and inform the homeowner of its progress and any other actions. During the 60-day investigation period, the servicer is prohibited from reporting related overdue payments to a credit reporting agency. The qualified written request must include adequate information in order for the servicer to identify the account or borrower. Typical information would be name of borrower, property address, and loan number. Additionally, the request must include the reasons why the borrower believes the account is in error or a detailed statement of the information that is desired. Typical reasons for an account being in error or information that could be desired are a complete payment history, including but not limited to the dates and amounts of all payments made on the loan to date, a breakdown of the amount of claimed arrears or delinquencies, including an itemization of all fees charged to the account, an explanation of how the amount due on the monthly billing statement was calculated, the payment dates, purposes of payments, and recipient of any and all foreclosure fees and costs that have been charged to the account, the payment dates, purposes of payments, and recipients of all escrow items charged to the account since the date the servicing company took the servicing over, a breakdown of the current escrow charge, showing how it was calculated and the reason for any increase within the last 24 months, a copy of any annual escrow statements and notices of a shortage, deficiency, or surplus sent within the last 3 years, and a copy of the original loan documents. A qualified written request must be in writing and should be sent by certified mail to the servicer. To make sure that it gets sent to the right department within the servicer's company, it is safest to call the servicer and ask for the address where requests should be directed. In the event the servicer does not respond to the request in a timely manner, they are liable to homeowners for damages, costs, and reasonable attorney fees. A borrower may bring a private lawsuit, or a group borrower may bring a class action suit against the servicer who fails to comply with the qualified written request, if the evidence reveals a pattern of non-compliance. Although not required, a qualified written request can be a useful tool in gathering information about your mortgage and can be of assistance in your attempts to modify your home loan. Homeowners are able to submit possible violations for seeking damages free of charge at the National Council for Ethical Loan Modification website, ncelm.org. I am Damian Falcone, and this is Get Modified.